Ah. 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 Hey, that thing looks awesome. This is, oh, it's so cool. Yes. Yes. Dude, it's got a nice lockout. It's got a nice adjustment. Oh, yes. Oh, went from horror film to Beauty and the Beast, dude. Yes. Oh my god. Dude, this thing was like $50. And it's a legit, like, cheap 32 mil, I believe. Yep. Sorry if I went off camera for a second. 32 mil shock, and it looks really nice. It's gonna go really well on that bike. And I mean, even the graphics look kind of cool. It's got never back down on it to actually get like kind of cool regular English words on it instead of like back down never or some like weird like version of what they were trying to say. Build quality. Let's see. Initial review of build quality. It's not super light, which I'm glad for. Let's do the knock test. Hold on. Let's do. Yeah, solid. Okay. Don't worry, I'm not dinging anything up by doing that. But I'm trying to get a good gauge of what the thickness is like on that metal. It seems actually pretty thick, which is good. Now, I'm really sure that this is going to flex a little bit as it goes up and down, but just to give you an overview, it looks like everything's good. This little bit of residue there is not bad at all. It's actually where a little bushing on the bottom side is going to fit on. It hasn't been installed or anything like that. It's just as part of the manufacturing process. So, but wow, it's even got a little warning label. Use only for leisure, cross-country use. Do not use for downhill, free ride, dirt jumping, or any hard riding. Well, good thing is, this little cheap fork is not going to be used for any of that. Mostly, it's kind of for show. It's going to work way better than the shock that's on there right now. And it'll definitely be way more durable, way more tossable than what's on there right now. And this will be a major upgrade for this super cheap bike. So the whole idea and the whole reason why I'm building this bike and adding cool stuff like this is not only does it look really cool, this is going to perform way better than any $200 stupid Walmart bike would. I basically got the bike for free. So this thing being a $50 major upgrade. This thing, I've seen this thing, this exact same shock. I'm dead serious. This shock, because that's the dead giveaway right there, is on my sister-in-law's bike in Peru. So I know this shock works. I actually know that this shock is pretty awesome because I've ridden it pretty hard in Peru. So I'm actually happy I have it on the bike I'm putting it on. It's not going to be overridden. It's not going to be beat to crap or anything, but it can handle some more abuse than what they're advertising by that sticker on the back. But all said and done, call it $55 after shipping and all that. This thing is going to be so cool on that bike. Oh, I can't wait. And the red, I mean, it's got a little bit of blue, but the red is really going to pop because the bike it's going on actually has some red on there. So, whew, this is it. Ah, I'm so happy. I love unwrapping stuff like this. It's a good part. We got 2 more coming today. I've got pedals. And I believe... Oh, chain. The chain is also white. The theme of the bike. White and red. A little bit of black. The body of the bike is actually black. But the coolest parts that are going to pop are the white ones like this. And the red pieces. So. And for those wondering... It does have the disc brake mounts, and they tape them up. So, bingo. Can't wait. It's going to look so good. Oh, I'm so excited. All right. I will see you in the next video. Corey with Cheap Horsepower. See you soon.